Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, coming with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where your rear doors can be folded all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders, as well as a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Then moving into the front, where we have our fob, which does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, and your comm screen. Can also go into your maintenance information, that from there as well. And then on the left side, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as your driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with a dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off, and then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and your 4x4 selector with locking rear differential and drive modes, which include normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport modes. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as having this button above here to open the glove box above your compartment, or the compartment above your glove box. Moving down from your climate controls, you have another USB and USB-C, as well as another 12-volt power outlet with a shelf down here where you can put your device while it's charging, or whatever else you want. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this can be lifted up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And you actually have another lockable compartment underneath that as well for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.